Okay, so I have my pre-image points that I got from my word problem. I wrote them right here. And then here's my algebraic rule that I'm going to have to know. Okay, I know you get to use your note cards right now, but this is something that you're going to need to memorize and know. And this says that my x goes over here to the y spot. All my x's I'm going to put in the y spot. So 3 is going to go there. And 3 is going to go here because that's what it says. X goes over here to the y spot. So that's what I did. Now, my y's go in the x spot, but they change signs. Now, this y is 0, and change the sign of 0 doesn't do anything. So that just is going to be 0, 0. Same thing here. That's going to be 0, 3. But then right here is going to be -4, 3. And then when you plot the points, the originals and the pre-image and the image points, you can see that this is a rotation, okay, rotated 90 degrees counterclockwise. So now pause me and finish up note card 211. All right, this is a lot happening, and I knew it would be too much for you to put on your note card, but I threw in your note card 210 information right here for a quick reference. Here are our original points, and I've got them written here, A, B, C. And then I want you to, these are all counterclockwise. I want you to do these rotations. Now remember, 360-degree rotations is going to get you right back to the original. So what I want you to do is just say with these, and I know I've just got them as A, B, and C. I took this from another site. This is really A prime, B prime, C prime on all of those. And I want you to see on a scrap piece of paper, or you can make your own extra note card if you want. See if you can get these ordered pairs right using the rules. So pause me right now. Using these original pre-image points, what happens after, what are your ordered pairs? Use your algebraic rule, okay? See if you can get it right and check on the graph. So pause me. This should take you about 3 minutes at least to do on your own. Maybe 2 minutes, maybe 3 minutes, but probably 3 minutes. So pause me, spend time making sure that you can do this, and then play me and see if you got it right. All right, so check yourself. I know it's self-checking, you just do the ordered pairs over here, but really, did it make sense? Remember, these were all counterclockwise. So a 90-degree counterclockwise is right here. We are switching spots and we're making the y negative. So it'd be -1, 2, making the new x spot negative, I guess. But just make sure you got all these ordered pairs right, go through it, follow it, just make sure. All right. Note card 212, some random rotation examples. And this is where I pulled in the rules for you from your note card 210, just so you could see it on the slide. And I really these are going to go quicker because you're just really taking point A, and I want to know what it would be after 90-degree clockwise rotation. And number 2, take this point A, and what would it be after 180 degrees clockwise rotation? So go ahead and write down these problems on this note card. You can just say what point A's ordered pair is. You don't have to actually draw the picture, but you do need to count and find what point A's original or pre-image ordered pair is on both of those, and then write down what the image ordered pair would be. All right, so if I take this point A, which is the point -4, -2, and I rotate it 90 degrees clockwise, that's this way, okay, not this way. So this way, I would have to use this top rule, y -x. So this y, the original y would go in the front, and then the original x would go here, but we would change its sign. And over here, if I take this point A, which is at -5, 1, and I rotate it 180 degrees, here's the rule. And you basically keep the same spot. You're not changing the spots. Everything else, you're changing spots. Like x and y change spots, but not with 180 degrees. You just got to change the signs. Oh, I had that wrong. So it'd be 5, -1. 5, yeah. Yes, yes. All right, so I went in and drew them, and I feel much better about them. You know, rotations are hard to see. It's hard to see what would happen. This is A right here, and if we're going 90 degrees, it's rotating around, so A prime would be right here. That makes intuitive sense. And over here, this is A, and then when we rotate 180 degrees, this would be A prime. So we're good to go. So pause me and finish up note card 212.